have the keys to the baggage doors. I pulled off the baggage doors and I bought keyless locks. So the little tumbler ones, I like those. And so those are coming.
Hello, happy campers. Okay, we are in the workshop, also known as on the kitchen table. I'm fortunate that Peggy is very patient. I could not get the keys for the locks to the baggage doors. This is actually a baggage door out of the trailer. So I took the baggage door off. It's an aluminum assembly. And I bought these combination locks to replace the ones that are on the Aristocrat. So I'm going to take these off. This was so loose that so now the tumbler is out. The lock is now. These were just clipped in. A good screwdriver should just pull them out. Well, I dropped that. Now, put the new ones in. I have had this screwdriver since I was 16. Yes, they invented plastic that long ago.
So these are, darn it.
These are something we bought on good old Amazon, like so many other things. I will put a link in the show notes or in the, down below, which is also the place where you can like and subscribe. It's official that I have to say those things making a YouTube video. Okay, make sure that this goes in the right side. Look at that. It fits perfectly. It's a 50-year-old trailer, but just shows you how little has changed in 50 years.
Okay, I'm going to come back and tighten that in the future. Look at that. Now
Even fix the door. So look at how fancy that is. There's it comes from the factory at $9.99 is the combination. You can also change it to whatever 3-digit combination you like. Mine is not going to be $9.99. But look at that. Anyway. So I wanted to share getting this old butyl tape out. This is a pretty slick tool. I think it's a caulk tool, and it's been very helpful to get. This is the baggage door from outside the fridge, and it's been really helpful in getting this out. And then I've been cleaning these pieces and the walls of the trailer with good old helps to Goo Gone. This just cleans up these old surfaces super well. I'm sure there's people who think that's a bad idea. I don't know. What I do know is it's highly effective at getting the old butyl out. Welcome to day 2. I have to put some butyl tape back on here, and I've learned something about my friend Mr. Butyl Tape. When you put it on, now first of all, I'm no expert, but when you put it on, immediately take the backing off, because look at this. I mean, I had it all cleaned nicely, and then I was ill prepared, and you know the old expression, those who have planned to fail have failed. Wait, those who have failed to plan have planned to fail. Speaking of failing, it's very frustrating. Just going to be lazy. Put the old butyl over, or the new butyl over where I had it nice and clean and prepped. and then effed it up yesterday in the sun. Not being quite ready. Speaking of not ready, I think this knife is not ready for prime time. Boy, okay, what I learned yesterday. That butyl came out of the fridge again, but I'm going to immediately take off the backer. Because, and by the way, yesterday was in the afternoon, today is early in the morning, because this stuff gets very mushy. That's the technical term, right? Mushy? Mushy, mushy.
The thing is, it's fairly forgiving, it seems, as long as you don't let it sit in the sun. You do that, and you're single-handed. You use the right side of the knife, and it cuts better, too, I found. Believe it or not. I know that's some crazy thinking right there, but I am crazy. Alright. Look at that. Now, let's find that hole again. And then we can match up that hole.
One there. Look at that. Right here. Now the reason I'm doing this, that wood is completely gone too, is so the screws match their own holes. What do you think about that? Okay, try this a second time. Look at that. It fits right on. Okay, so let's back this thing way down, which uses the least amount of pressure or power. Look at that. These are screws that are far less likely to rust as well. So as the door kind of mashes itself up against the butyl tape, it kind of squishes it down and makes the seal, like an Easter seal, but better. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see how this goes. First your money, then your clothes. Okay. Now. Oh, I'm an idiot.
Damn it.